ran into David Gergen, the Karl Rove of 4 presidential administrations. The Bohemian Grove, when you joined as a Clinton advisor, the Republicans were criticizing you. Oh, what about Bohemian Grove? And then you countered them by saying, "Hey, I don't run around in the woods naked." What did that mean? Here is the before-mentioned Washington Times article where he said, "I didn't run around naked like they do."
I don't know what quote you're referring to. I'm not aware of any quote like that. Listen, I am a happy member of the Bohemian Grove. I like the folks who come there, and it's really inappropriate for me to talk about the group beyond that.
Have you been there for the ceremony with the cremation of care?
Frankly, I don't think that's something I need to talk to you about.
Really?
That's right.
Well, I'm Alex Jones, and I snuck in there in 2000. I'm the guy that blew it wide open and got the video. It's been on national TV.
Well, I disrespect you for that. That was not a gentlemanly thing to do.
But what about the ritual? Is the ritual genuinely?
Thank you. Think about it. It's none of your damn business.
Oh, look how strangely he behaved when we brought it up. Why is he acting so secretive? Why did he get so angry when he discovered that we'd snuck in? You see, they take it very, very seriously. This is one of the hallmarks of the occult and secret societies. The word occult means secret. Secrecy is part of their religion. They revel in it. And when it's violated, they become extremely angry.
One might wonder, understandably, why the people that run the banking, political, economic system and the media in America should be dressed in long robes doing a ceremony to a 40-foot stone owl. I think we should be told so. So what's it all about? When they're sacrificing children, the deity in the modern world today that they use to sacrifice them to is Moloch or Molech. As I was looking through a Washington street map, I found this around the Congress building, this Congress building in the middle. And just by drawing in red pen on the roads within the Congress building complex, very obviously an owl appears. But when you look at the next shot, this is not being doctored by me in any way with a red pen. This is just a shot directly from a Washington street plan. And there you see around the Congress building the owl, Moloch, the deity going back to Babylon and this whole story I've been talking about. And he's actually sitting on top of a pyramid. A pyramid and all-seeing owl, just like the pyramid and all-seeing eye. Because the owl and the eye symbolize the same thing, this force which controls the world through these bloodlines.
Are you beginning to see how deep this tunnel goes? The armies of Shaitan have been working and planning for years. Their symbol has always been right in front of our eyes.
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.